We are pleased to show you the 2018 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, adaptive cruise control, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.